Ready to dive into the Solana ecosystem but need to fuel up your Phantom wallet first? Then you're in the right place, because in this video, we'll explore the different ways you can send funds to your Phantom wallet, making it super easy to get started. First, let's cover transferring SOL from another wallet or exchange. If you already have SOL stored somewhere like Coinbase, Binance, or another Solana wallet, this is your go-to method. Simply head to the withdrawal section of your exchange or external wallet, select SOL as the cryptocurrency you want to send, and carefully paste your Phantom wallet address in the recipient field, which you can find at the top of your wallet interface by tapping the deposit button and then selecting SOL. Double-check your Phantom wallet address before confirming the transaction, as this process cannot be reversed. Another option is using an Onramp service like MoonPay or Jupiter. These platforms allow you to directly purchase SOL with fiat currency like US dollars or euros straight into your Phantom wallet. Inside your Phantom wallet, click Deposit and then Buy with Card to select the platform you would like to use in order to purchase SOL. Follow their on-screen instructions, which will typically involve entering your card details and completing a verification process. After the transaction is processed, the SOL will appear in your Phantom wallet in a matter of minutes. And there you have it, your Phantom wallet is now funded, and you are all set to explore decentralized finance applications, collect NFTs, and participate in the exciting world of the Solana blockchain. Make sure you subscribe for more quick crypto tutorials.